Hi there, students. To overthrow. Okay, to overthrow. This means to remove somebody from power using force. So, the government of Salvador Allende in Chile was overthrown by the army. Okay, there was a revolution which overthrew the government. So to overthrow, to remove from power with force. Okay, to put an end to the system. The army overthrew the parliamentary democracy. Okay, so to cause the downfall of, to bring down, to defeat. There was a vote which overthrew the leader of the political party. The government was overthrown by a military coup d'etat. Yeah, there was an attempt to overthrow the democracy. Okay, so to overcome, plotting to overthrow the state, to bring about the downfall, the destruction, the ending of, by force, yeah, or by a concerted action. I guess you could overthrow something, to knock it over, to throw it over. So I saw him overthrowing chairs and tables, trying to catch the dog. Yeah, to throw so it goes upside down. Notice, to overthrow as a verb, the overthrow of the government as a noun was peaceful, or the overthrow. Normally the overthrow of a government is quite violent. The overthrow of tyranny, the overthrow of a dictatorship. I think many dictators are never overthrown. They get old and continue. I'm thinking about Mr. Stroessner in Paraguay. Wow, he was there for years and years and years. Okay, this is talking about revolution, subversion, yeah, changing the status quo. Okay, we can actually use overthrow in a different way, is to throw something too far. In cricket, if the fielder gets the ball and he throws it, and it goes way past the person who was supposed to catch it, then the batsman can run backwards and forwards for overthrows. So it's to throw a ball, but it goes past where it's supposed to go and keeps on going. That is to overthrow as well. Yeah, I think you can use that in baseball, you could use it in American football, but particularly in cricket. Yeah, a ball thrown too far by a fielder and a run scored because of this. An overthrow. 5 overthrows. Okay, so to overthrow a government, yeah, to destroy a ruler, to destroy an institution. So, for example, Charles I King Charles I was overthrown by the Civil War and Oliver Cromwell. Yeah, to bring about the downfall by force. Yeah. Okay, so this is the idea, to overthrow the government. The overthrow of King Charles I was the result of the British Civil War. Okay, so early 17th century in the UK. Okay, so to overthrow, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. Would I use it informally? Maybe just about. Yeah, I think probably better in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then the idea to throw over, yeah, to effectively throw to the ground. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To overthrow, the overthrow, an overthrow.